Hi, welcome to RepairFi Institute. Chris Chesney here. We're going to walk through how you pull in the asTech Connect app onto a launch device. What we have in front of us is a brand new torque model. And so typically if you have one already or if you just pulled it out of the box, you're going to have already opened up the X431 app, which is the launch scan tool app. And that's what we see here. So to get to the Play Store, you simply select Home button down at the bottom, and that brings up the Android page. And you scroll up, and you'll find the Play Store somewhere on the dashboard. I've got it right here in the middle. So I've opened it up, and I've already searched for asTech Connect. You're gonna, if it's a brand new tool, and you've never been in here before, you're gonna have to log in with your Google account. I logged in with my Google account and searched for asTech Connect. And it served that up right here. And so right now I'm going to just touch Install asTech Connect, and it's going to go through the installation process. And the asTech app opens, and now we'll log in. One of the things that we want to make you aware of is that you can actually monitor the vehicles that you have registered to your app on app.astech.com. You can see the banner floating across the middle of the screen. What we want to really make sure you understand is that because we have a system that can manage multiple VCIs and multiple tools, you have the ability to connect multiple VCIs from launch or asTech to your account and control those events from either the dashboard online or here on the individual tool. So I've got on this launch torque, I've got the system set up. I'm logged in for our research center. I'm going to touch devices, and down here we can see the devices that we have registered to our account. Some of them are asTech devices, but the device over here on the far left-hand side is our launch device. You can see the devices I have available. I have 6 available. I have 1 connected. That's the launch device that we have connected to the vehicle. So you have the ability to see what's in use, what's disconnected, what's connected, and then down here in reports or records, you have access to all the events that you've run the system. And you see tons and tons of records here because we run a lot of vehicles through our system. You can manage users in your account, and then you've got settings that allow you to do some back-end work. So this is the way the asTech app works. It's part of joining the asTech family and using the launch devices to access asTech services.